Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. So if you're having this issue, so what you can do is simply, firstly, what you can do, just ensure that your internet account is stable, you have a good internet connection. So that's the foremost important thing. And then what you can do, you can simply go to your Play Store and then check if there is any updates for Monopoly Go as well as Facebook. So if there are updates, please do update both the apps to make sure you have the latest versions of both the apps. And also when you connect to Facebook, make sure you're using your correct credentials and login so that there is no issues with your Facebook account just by itself. So try to check that to make sure that your Facebook account has no issues. And then what you can do, you can simply also go to your Monopoly game app settings. So you can also go to your app settings, and then what you can do, you can try to force stop it. So you will see the force stop option here, click on it and then force stop it, and then try to launch the app again. And also as a good old school method, just try to restart your device as well, and that might also fix your issue. So these are some of the methods that you can try to fix this issue. So hope this video helps. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.